Yo, so, all right, so I'm gonna lead this ride with VP right next to me, so we can keep a nice pace. We're not gonna wild out. We're not gonna do any of that because you guys already know. I don't normally run these rides. Sarge, that's his thing, but I'm willing to step up to ride us to get us to that location. We're gonna show up there like we did last year, uniform, nice and calm. So it's gonna be probably a 30-mile-an-hour ride, 25 to 30 miles an hour, because we got the scooters with us and stuff like that. We need to stay uniform, stay in our lanes. I don't want to see anybody, and I mean anybody, doing the whole getting past us, going against traffic. Let's stay organized. We're not going to do that today, bro. For those, the unions, I know they gotta need a little bit more flexibility, but please stay within that comfort zone that we need, all right? Also, you're our eyes and ears because you have a bit more, you know what I'm saying, flexibility for visuals and stuff like that. But again, safety is all I care about. I'm not going through red lights on some regular shit unless I know that all of us can make it together, then we'll do it. But if not, like I said, I don't ride like other people. I'm just gonna be very cautious. So forgive me if you don't like that style of riding, but that's the way it's gonna be at this point. Fresh, you're gonna run the wing. You can select who, you know, we want to run the wing with you. So that'd be your midsection, you know, and you're gonna have that ability to go back and forth, check on people, make sure they stay in line. Again, GQ, JR in the back. I'll be up front with VP, Chaplain. You know how it goes, man. You know, eyes and ears from everybody. We're one unit, right? Yeah. So at the end of the day, we're all gonna look out for each other. And again, we're not gonna do that crazy. It's a small pack, so we're gonna be all right. We always are. So, with that being said, let's pack it up. Let's roll. We're gonna take a nice easy stroll, baby.
The legend of leaders eager to break the rules. It's April Fools, we shining and grinding, increasing revenue. And lately I've been feeling like, wait, don't let me kill the vibe. Corona on the islands in the States, we drinking Miller Lite. I'm feeling like I'm Tom Cruise, falling through vanilla skies. Wide awake, I stay up, I've been working hard on my hills. I've been whipping on that wheel, we partying in the hills. Partying in the hills, and you don't know how this feels.
to the gym, bro. Let me. Nigga, A1, he don't just DJ. That nigga go to the gym, bro. Chill. Who next? Next up. Y'all got next? Y'all got next? Ladies? Ladies, who's next? Ladies, fellas, who's next up? Different than East Coast scooters. I'm sure, you know, they said they have their top 10 dudes out here. You know, so he said y'all won just, you know, off luck that all their members ain't here yet. So. Appreciate y'all. Always, y'all always come through. Last year I came through the pause. Right hand, then the other side of the room. Then the other side of the room. You right. I promise you, you're not gonna like it on that side.
Maybe we just.
What are you doing? On the count of 3? You said what? First 2 what? First 2? First 2 over the cone loses. First 2 over the cone loses. Spence, get on the other side of the rope. You right here. Once again, first 2 over the cone, y'all lose. But if y'all drop the rope, that shit right there. If you drop the rope, you lost as well. Hold up. If you let go of the rope, you lost. If you let go of the rope, you lost. So that means you gotta hold on to that shit, you heard? First 2 across the cone loses. And if you lose, let go of the rope, you lost. Here we go. 5, 4. Let's go.
Yo, this is real right here.
Once again, just in case you didn't hear me, if 3 of your members cross that orange cone in the center, you lost. Y'all ready? Don't pull your hold, pull.
Yo, you want my glove?
Don't start cheating, yeah, hold on. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Next year, we got this. It's all right. We relinquished the title today, but we still strong, baby. Ha! much worse.
They all taken?